How to fix loading timeout problem in Call of Duty. Recently, some Call of Duty players reported about loading timeout while playing games. Now, if you find that you can't play the Call of Duty game because of this loading timeout error, then watch this video to learn a quick way to solve these pop-up issues on Call of Duty games. So, let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Call of Duty apps, tap on it. Now, first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission. Enable Files in Media. Enable Location. Go back. Now scroll down. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Call of Duty, and quickly check for a new software update for a Call of Duty application. Now go back to your open Call of Duty. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, you'll be able to solve loading timeout issues on Call of Duty. Please comment below if you still have problems with the Call of Duty on your Android. Thanks for watching.